So this is a nice short question about isotopes. Remember that isotopes are different versions of an atom because they contain different numbers of neutrons. Right, so some isotopes emit nuclear radiation. So carbon-14 and carbon-12 are both isotopes of carbon. Right, so they're both different forms of carbon. So compare the structure of carbon-14 with that of an atom of carbon-12. Right, so there's a number of different things that we can go and talk about. Right, the first thing is because they're both carbon, they're going to have the same number of protons. Right, that's kind of key there, because if they had a different number of protons, they wouldn't both be carbon. So they've got the same atomic number, because that's basically just the number of protons. So because they've got the same number of protons, they're also going to go and have the same number of electrons. But because they're isotopes, so they've got different mass numbers, they're going to have different numbers of neutrons. So therefore, they'll have a different mass number because one's going to have a mass of 12, one's going to have a mass of 14. And finally, they'll have the same atomic number. I've put that twice because that's important to remember that they do have the same number of protons. Right, so they're just a few key things to think about if you are comparing isotopes of an atom together.